Look how hard she chews that bone. It's a fake bone. It's supposed to be indestructible. But look at her. What you working with, Frankie? Frankie chewed off his own collar today. I don't know how, but he did. I had to throw it away. Nice Irish shamrock collar from Ireland. Somehow, I don't know if he got it off his neck and then chewed it. Or I chewed. There's no way he could have done it while it was on his neck. But anyway, that's crazy. Look at that jaw. Look at. But again, that's not even a real bone.